Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Today's video is about digital marketing applications of ECRM. ECRM systems support the following marketing applications. 1. Salesforce automation. SFA. Sales representatives are supported in their account management through tools to arrange and record customer visits. 2. Customer service management. Representatives in contact centers respond to customer requests for information by using an intranet to access databases containing information on the customer, products, and previous queries. It is more efficient and may increase customer convenience if customers are given the option of web self-service, i.e. accessing support data through web interface. 3. Managing the sales process. This can be achieved through e-commerce sites or in a B2B context by supporting sales representatives by recording the sales process, SFA. 4. Customer communications management. Managing communications integrated across different channels like direct mail, email, mobile messaging, personalized web messages, and social networks. 5. Analysis. Through technologies such as data warehouses and approaches such as data mining, which are explained further later in the chapter, customers' characteristics, their purchase behavior and campaigns can be analyzed in order to optimize the marketing mix. CRM technologies and data. Database technology is at the heart of delivering these CRM applications. Often the database is accessible through an intranet website by employees or an extranet by customers or partners, providing an interface onto the entire customer relationship management system. Email is used to manage many of the inbound, outbound, and internal communications managed by the CRM system. A workflow system is often used for automating CRM processes. For example, a workflow system can remind sales representatives about customer contacts or can be used to manage service delivery, such as the many stages of arranging a mortgage. The 3 main types of customer data held as tables in customer databases for CRM are typically 1. Personal and profile data. These include contact details and characteristics for profiling customers, such as age and sex, B2C, and business size, industry sector, and the individual's role in the buying decision, B2B. 2. Transaction data. A record of each purchase transaction including specific product purchased, quantities, category, location, date and time, and channel where purchased. 3. Communications data. A record of which customers have been targeted by campaigns and their response to them. Outbound communications also includes a record of inbound inquiries and sales representative visits and reports, B2B. Customer life cycle management. 1. Customer selection means defining the types of customers that a company will market to. It means identifying different groups of customers for which to develop offerings and to target during acquisition, retention, and extension. Different ways of segmenting customers by value and by their detailed life cycle with the company are reviewed. 2. Customer acquisition refers to marketing activities to form relationships with new customers while minimizing acquisition costs and targeting high-value customers. Service quality and selecting the right channels for different customers are important at this stage and throughout the life cycle. For an online business, acquisition may involve a single-step conversion. For example, if a new visitor arrives on a site and purchases on the first visit. Typically, a longer, multi-step process is needed for conversion to sale, where a visitor returns to the site. To facilitate the conversion, customer lifecycle marketing should seek to form an initial relationship through asking for contact details for communications such as email address, mobile number, or a social media contact. This is the permission marketing approach which we explain in the next section. For online SaaS startups, there is an additional step of activation, which means that a person registered with an online brand takes further actions, such as trying the service. 3. Customer retention refers to the marketing activities taken by an organization to keep its existing customers, i.e. to encourage them to buy again or continue a contract which renews for a service. Identifying relevant offerings based on their individual needs and detailed position in the customer lifecycle, e.g. number and value of purchases, is key. 4. Customer extension refers to increasing the depth or range of products that a customer purchases from a company. This is often referred to as customer development. There is a range of customer extension techniques that are particularly important to online retailers. Resell. Selling similar products to existing customers, particularly important in some B2B contexts as rebuys or modified rebuys. Cross-sell. selling additional products which may be closely related to the original purchase, but not necessarily so. I upsell, a subset of cross-selling, but in this case selling more expensive products. I reactivation, customers who have not purchased for some time or have lapsed can be encouraged to purchase again. I referrals, generating sales from recommendations from existing customers, for example, member get member deals. Press the bell icon and subscribe for latest videos.